engage as a backup computer.
I'm losing my space here. Whoa! That's very responsive.
Keep your eyes on the
You want to go
road.
for a little ride here?
You're doing it, but the trick is probably small inputs.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it now. I see it.
Nice.
I see the heads up.
Hey, ladies.
I
So,
see
The up and
the
down
ocean.
responds a lot quicker than the left and right.
which is good to keep in mind because in about 40 seconds you are going to need to do a pretty aggressive left turn to get yourself onto that circle trajectory.
How's that feel, Vicki? Does it feel?
Hold on.
She can't think and drive at the same time.
She's flying at 270 knots.
It's difficult to keep it in left and right. The up and down.
It's going to get a little bouncy here because we're going subsonic. We're passing through Mach 1. So you get a little buffeting as we go through the boom. You can't hear the boom from inside.
I put her Starbucks down, right?
Yes. Okay, Vicki, at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bank left.
Oh.
Not that far.
That was good. Actually, that was pretty good. You can let it catch up with you. And it wants a little more bank. You've got about 30 degrees of bank here. Perfect. If it's not too windy a day, you should be able to maintain a constant bank and keep you right on that circle. If the winds are pushing you around one way or the other, you might have to manipulate it.
So can you add additional winds to make it more difficult for everybody?
Downstairs I can, but I don't think there's anybody doing that to us today.
No?
Don't do
But
it.
yeah, we can give them really aggressive. So we are going through 28,000 feet. In addition to the tapes here on our heads-up display, we have an altitude tape on the right and a speed tape on the left. So 26,000 feet and about 280 knots.
Is that snow down there?
Those are clouds.
Clouds?
That's clouds out over the ocean. We have about 90 degrees of trying to gap.
Okay, we're in a little more control now. Maybe.
Right.
As you come up towards the last part of the turn, you're going to start to see the runway out in front of you. And I want you to focus on the runway. We have this heads-up display so you can look through it at the runway. And keep in mind that's always your goal. Just try to line yourself up on the runway. You can almost anticipate what the needle will be. The diamond will be telling you to do. And if second here your square is going to turn into a circle just now, don't let that bother you. It's the same thing. Okay, go to the right, more to the right. Good, good, good. And stay right between those two triangles. Perfect. Okay, maybe smidge a little to the left. If you want to get rid of that green overlay, you just press this down once. I don't know if you can see me. There's a switch here right on your
There's a switch where?
right here. Can you see mine? This one.
This one?
No, one over.
Oh, that changed the brightness.
One over.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So stay right between those two triangles, but you're off to the left of the runway, so work your way to the right.
Oh, okay. So that's just telling me, I see.
The triangles are just purely pitch attitude.
Oh, okay.
So now back to the left, back to the left, 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 left. It's easy to get into kind of a squiggly snake turn coming in because you're like, okay, left and right. Keep your nose down, stay with the triangles.
Ignore the check engine
Okay,
light.
now pull up with the triangles. Pull up. Keep right between the triangles.
But
Keep
over
pulling.
here.
Keep
Remember
pulling.
the triangles.
I'm helping you. Keep pulling. Don't let your little airplane get above the horizon, but
Oh, there's the runway. Oh, okay.
yeah, the runway's this big concrete thing in front of us. So nose up just a little bit. You don't want to come in too hard.
Well, like that?
Okay, yeah. That's a little bit hard, but okay. Now we only have the back wheels down, so you aren't done. You have to push the nose over.
push the nose over? What do you mean?
Yeah, just push.
Push down.
Oh. Oh, get my front wheels down. Not there.
And now fly with your pedals. But if you push with the tips on the pedals, with your toes, those are the brakes. So give us a little break.
Great.
We have 4,000 feet runway remaining. Push.
Are you helping?
Slow down. No, I wasn't actually pushing.
I'm slowing down. Come on.
80 knots, 2,000 feet remaining.
I'm pushing as hard as I can. Oh, I'm not in the right place. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. Now we're slowing
Where
down.
the brakes were.
Now we're slowing
It
down.
stopped right on the center.
All right, we're done.
Vicki, you just landed the space shuttle. What are you gonna do now?
I don't know. I'll join Mike and run the marathon.
Operator station, cruise station. Yeah, we're ready to bring down the chute and bring up the ramp. And
How was that ride?
Scott, Thomas, you're out.
It's a little scary.